In this video, I'm going to show you how I made the vinyl siding and J-channel around this door look a whole lot better. So you don't need this tool necessarily, but it has this little hook that gets up under the siding. So find the end of that course of siding, pull down a little bit and pull out, and it will unlock this whole piece. Just like that. Now I can start taking these nails out, use a flat bar. And then I should be able to, oh, that one just fell right down. It's just the same thing all the way down. I know it doesn't look like it, but I should be able to reuse this. And this side. So I'm just gonna cut this up, put some new plywood in there, and then we can Tyvek it and start bringing the siding back up. Hold it like this, staple it. Now I can sneak this up in here and nail it into place. I like to go about every 12 inches or so. Feed it up in there. Gonna go down just a little bit lower. So I'll go all the way this way and then bend it like this into that J-channel. And then I'm gonna center it and then pull up like that. And just get it started, and then you can grab this. You could also put like a block in there or something just to hold it up out of the way, or if you have friends, I don't, they could help you. Just get it in here, like that. I'm gonna grab my handy tool. I'm gonna grab this siding, just pull and push at the same time. Yeah, that's the snap you want. And then just to be sure, it's locked in. We're good. Some of these are trickier than others. There we go. I'll start at the bottom and work my way up. Sneaking nails in to the J-channel and the siding however I can. It might not be the way that you would do it, but this is how I fixed the siding and J-channel. And I gotta say, it looks a whole lot better. So I'm good with it. If you had to do something like this, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.